To do a full review of countertop dishwasher. This particular one is called EdgeStar DWP61ES. I searched about a few weeks online, and I believe this one is the best. I've been using it for a month. Yeah, about a month now. So yeah, let's start the first thing first. It came in a very big box, almost twice as big as this. That's because this was in a very good package. When you open the first one, you will see the second one inside there, and this one is inside the second box. Okay, so it comes with two hoses. Like one goes in and one comes out for the water. It's a connector that's connected directly to your faucet. If you have a faucet like this, right? Let's get it closer. Yeah. So if you have a faucet like this, then you don't really need to do much at all. You simply unscrew the faucet that's attached in there. See, this is like this. This is usually unscrewable. You can just attach it or detach it. And you will put this one, which comes with the dishwasher. It's kind of adapter. So you will screw this one in. Whoops. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Voila. And over here, when you're attaching it, take a look at here. See? Yeah. You need to push it down and then to attach it. See? And that's it. And you turn on the water, and you're all good to go. All right. So now let's put in some. In this case, I bought powder instead of detergent. I don't know, I just thought powder is easier to control. Okay, so there are actually two components, two slots. One says 15, the other one says 25. So if I have a load like this, it's pretty much a full load. I usually put the dishwashing detergent in here, okay? And then just cover it, close it. So I made a mistake the first time because I thought this was just something that's not important. So first time after I washed this, the dishes came out, like all the spots, the water spots are still on everything, basically everything. And I was wondering, oh, what happened? The reason was that I forgot to buy something called Finish Jet Dry. Well, this is something that will help to speed up the dry cycle, and it will also clean up all the residues, and so you won't see any of the spots. And so that's where you put it. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's close it. So your water is connected, and make sure you're turning the water on, otherwise you won't have any water in there. And make sure it's connected. So here you have the power on and off. There are several different washing cycles. I usually choose this one, which is light wash, because I don't have a lot of greasy stuff on any of my plates. So I usually just use the light wash, and it's about an hour 15 minutes. Yeah, let's start. It's here. Okay, so I have one more thing to talk about, is that how quiet it works. This is during the washing cycle right now. You can almost hear nothing, right? Okay, so this is the water that's coming up in the middle of the cycle, washing cycle. Yeah, and then you will hear it takes some more water in, and then continue washing the dishes. Yeah. The washing cycle is done, and there are just a few more steps to take. So, from the other room, I heard 8 beeps, like beep, beep, beep. And you can also see from here an hour 15 minutes. That indicates that's a new cycle, and that means that the old cycle is done. And there are 3 things we need to take care of. One is to shut off the water, make sure the water is off. And then the next thing is to shut off the washing machine. There. So the last step is to disconnect the hose from the faucet, and so I can use my sink again. So the gasket is on a spring release ring at the top, and it's very easy to release. See? It's so easy. Just push it down, and that's it. Okay, so let's take a look at the clean dishes. This one, my medium pot, it's clean and dry. Okay, plate, it's also very clean and it's dry. And basically everything's clean. It does the cleaning job very good, and all of these are clean and dry. There's no spots. Yeah, so I'm happy with this purchase for less than $300. It's a great buy. Thanks.